Number 1. Text-to-speech. You go to text, let's drag this default font to the timeline, go to basic, then I'm going to paste here my text. Our text is long, let me split it into paragraphs so that it can be seen very well, then reduce on the font size so that our texts fit in the screen. After that you jump here to text-to-speech. Now here we have our voices here, let's try and see how they sound. That you have a lot of different voices to choose from and for free. Let's use this steady male voice.
If you see that this channel helps
it sound fine, now press on start reading. In seconds your voice has been generated, so let's drag the text to fit the size of the voice.
If you see that this channel helps you and a channel that deserves encouragement, so do not be skimp on us to subscribe.
I'm going to make our texts look more nice. Jump here to templates. I will choose this one which I love using the most. Again you have to reduce the font size. Now come to media. Library, then choose any good background. Add it right here in the middle.
If you see that this channel helps.
Before we proceed to another editing tricks, I hope this channel helps you and a channel that deserves encouragement, so do not be skimp on us to subscribe and also to encourage us to continue creating more educational videos like this. Number 2. Text animations. You go to text, then drag this default and drop it to the timeline. I use default because this is a tutorial video and I want it to be very simple for educational purposes. Now I'm going to come here and type in my text. Then click on animation, click in. This is how your text comes in. You have a lot of options here: typewriter, flipping, spring, then animation out is how your text leave the screen, fade out, zoom out, then loop. Also here you have very many and they are on a free version of CapCut. Wave, scrolling, let's use wave. Before this video ends, I am also going to show you how you make video animations. Number 3. Moving text behind someone. I'm going to delete this text, then paste a longer text so that our example comes out very well. Then make paragraphs in the text, also reduce the font size so that our text fit in the screen. Now I'm going to drag and drop my beautiful girl to the timeline. You will immediately notice that your text is in front of your video or photo, so we are going to duplicate the video by holding down the Option key on the Mac and Alt key on Windows, then click and drag and drop it here. Then select this upper video, jump to video cutout, then here on auto cutout. In less than a minute the process will be done. Is this not impressive? Let me know in the comments section what you think about these CapCut free features. Number 4. Tracking. I am going to drag and drop to the timeline this famous video clip. Then you come here to stickers. There are so many, but let's choose this one, expand it to fit our video. Click on stickers, then reduce the size of the sticker and position it to the place you want to track. After press on tracking, then motion tracking. Press start. It is processing our video. We are done and our face is covered and being tracked. Number 5. Vocal isolation. In case you have a song you want to remove vocals from it or even remove everything and stay with only the instrumental of that song, CapCut does it for free and in a few minutes. I'm going to drop my song to the timeline. By the way, this also works on video, so you feel free to use a video. I'm going to trim it a bit. Of course it's Rihanna. Then jump to basic, then scroll down and mark vocal isolation. Unselect the vocal isolation to hear the original. then you can remove all vocals. Isn't this great? If you try this with other softwares, it can take you turns of hours. Number 6, body enhancement. In case you added on some pounds and you look bigger in the video or photo, don't worry, CapCut got you covered. Let me drag and drop this young man to the timeline, increase the size of the image to fit in the screen, now jump to video, enhance and scroll down to body. You can increase the body size, the waist size, also the head size. Also you can brighten your color. Now look before and after. Number 7, auto captions. Some of you guys have been asking me how I create the captions in my videos. It's very simple. Drag and drop your video to the timeline. Let me adjust this a bit to be more visible. Let's have a look at it when it has no captions.
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? An echo. I can be cracked, made, told.
Now click on text, then auto captions, choose the language, then hit create. In minutes your captions will be ready and correct. Let's edit them so that they look much better. Go to text templates and go through these options. I like using this quick one. Back to basic, increase on the font size.
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? An echo. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I?
You can customize your text much more better after finishing to watch this video. Number 8, transitions. I will drag and drop this video of two beautiful girls, then trim it from here, and also drop this video. Also trim it from here. Now jump to transitions. Here you have very many different options. Let's try black fade. Black smoke. Pull in. Change to camera and try rotate CW. You can also increase the duration of each transition. Remember, these CapCut features are free, so utilize them as much as you can. Number 9, Vocalist. Can you believe CapCut can sing for you? I advise you watch this trick with your child. Jump here to text. I'm dragging the default font to the timeline, then clear this and past my text. On top click text to speech. Now scroll until you see the ones with Vocalist. Let's try this female vocalist.
If you see that this channel has you on there.
This is amazing, but your kid will love this more. One kid's vocalist.
If you see that this channel helps you one day, just know that deserves encouragement.
Number 10, video animations. Drop your video to the timeline. I'm using a video of school children walking because it will bring out our trick very well. Also I will add this green tick, then reduce its size and place it behind my boy. Trim it from here. Then add another tick and reduce its size here on the girl. Trim it from here. Then add a red cross and also reduce its size and place it here on this other boy. So it will look like that without the animations. Now let's add animations. Select this first tick, jump to animations. First, on in. Let's put slide down. Then on out. Let's put slide left. And also reduce on the durations to be on 3. So that our tick comes in form up and it leaves sliding to left. Also do the same to the rest. I'm going to speed up this. We are going to see how our final clip looks, but if you see that this channel is helpful and that I deserve encouragement, please do not be skimped to subscribe and also to encourage us to continue creating more educational videos like this. Tick for my boy. Also tick beautiful. Oh sorry boy.